Welcome back. I know my videos aren't as frequent. You guys know that I'm trying to get ready to move and stuff, but I still got my scrap room is still here, so I'm trying to do what I can in between. But I have this tiny little fun album for you today with 6x6 papers. And I've done one like this that is larger, but I thought I would do one for the 6x6 paper. Super easy album, and I always get asked, like, what do you put in it, especially one this mini? So I just want to show you this little embellishment I made. You can put little tags in there. You can add little embellishments, and you can add sequins. So that's just for people who are like, what do I do with this? But you could also put in just a regular size photo. So like from my printer that I use, this actually goes perfect in here. So I believe it's a 2x3 photo. So if you want to add photos in here, this will be great too. All right, so grab a 6x6 paper, and I am using double-sided today. But again, if it's white inside, no big deal. You can always decorate that. So just grabbing my scoreboard. So here's a 6x6 paper. And this is very simple measurements. We're just gonna score it at 2 and 4 inches. So 2 and 4. All right, so you got that, and then we're gonna turn it, and we're going to score it at 3 inches. So when I made a large version of this, it was a hit. Like, a lot liked it. So I'm curious to see if you guys are gonna like the mini. Possibly people might have done the mini by now from the other measurements. So, okay, now that we have our little 6 boxes, you should have 6, we're just gonna cut into this right here. So I have been so busy, you guys. I don't know how many more videos I'm gonna be able to do in between our move, because I need to take pictures of the house. My room has to look good, and I'll tell you what, it does not look good right now. So, okay, once you got that going on, we're gonna go ahead and I guess just fold it however you want your picture to show. Make sure you score it really well, because at this mini size, it's very obvious when the score is not lined up. I actually had to trim my other paper. So I'm actually using a very thick paper today, so mine might be a little bit wonkier than normal. So as you can see here, it's already kind of acting weird. So once you have that, so you pick what side you want and you fold it back. And you're gonna go ahead and fold this, because that's gonna be our first pocket. And we're gonna fold it again, forward. So that's all you're doing. Folding it down, and then this is gonna be folded, and this. But this is gonna be our pocket. So go ahead and do the same thing again on the other side, just fold it, and I'll fix these scores. As I said, this paper is a little thicker, it's the Cartabella. So once you have that all folded in, if you want, you can even leave it like that so it's, you know, pull out, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna make my pockets, and I just wanna show you a way to make it even. So once you have all that folded, I like to take it and just do this so that both of my pockets are the same, and then cut it. So when you fold it in, they're gonna be exactly the same size. So when this folds, it may kind of interfere with this. You could trim that a little bit. Mine's actually okay right now, but, so you could see it's going. But sometimes I like to just like nudge it so I don't have any problems. You can't really tell. But it was fine. This is just for someone who may have folded theirs funky. So there you go. And then this is gonna be our little middle pocket. I'm just gonna add a little punch here. This is my 1 inch, and I'm gonna glue this down. So we're just gonna glue all this down. So I miss you guys, I miss my room, but I have to say my creativity has been slacking, but I feel like it does this every summer. I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this one down first. And see, my score's a little funky, so I'm gonna try and fix that real quick. I might have to add some more glue right there. But how is everyone's summer going? You know what, guys? I'm gonna trim that, because it's just too wonky for me right now. Okay, and now I'm gonna just glue this down. I'm just gonna glue right here. And again, you don't have to make the pocket. If you wanna make it flippy, you can do that. So I was touching up paint yesterday in the house, and I was worried I was gonna have to paint the whole house because, and you know, it costs thousands of dollars to do that. And I got to save us some money because I took the swatch to the paint store and it looks great. So that's what I've been doing. So here's our cute little thing, and I'll show you everything I did to mine just to have some fun with it as we go along. So, of course, the first thing I did was I made a pretty glitter strip because that just adds a little pizzazz to the, I don't know what word I'm looking for, to the album. And I'm trying to find a decent sized strip. Oh, here it is. But I will say, my room, I donated to a local craft group a whole bunch of supplies, and they had a really good time with it. It made me so happy. So this is actually a little thicker than the first album, but this is just double-sided tape. Basically what I do in my other tutorials with the, you know, tape, I'm gonna do the glitter strip. This looks a little tiny bit off, but that's all right. For the cover, and I'm going to peel that off. And I'm going to add some glitter right here. It's like a metallic, I don't know what this color would be called. It's kind of gold, but it's something else. I don't, oh, champagne, there we go. I should have just looked at the bottle. So that, but you see this strip is thinner. I actually like the daintier one, but you know, I couldn't find my tape, of course. That's the one thing I forgot to do is the tape. All right, and let me see if I can find a sticker to go over that. So I've got the sticker from my kit. And this looks like kind of like the size of the one that I had used before. This might be a little larger, but that's all right. And I got that here. So see how fun this 6x6, I mean, it is tiny, it's itty bitty. It's like, what can you put in there as practical? But look, you can really make someone smile and really happy with just this. So let me find some more stickers. I think that's cute there. And trying to find something to put in that pocket there. Might just have to be like something like this. Let's see. I'm just gonna say our house. This line is so cute. It just feels like farmhouse and really sweet. Remember when farmhouse was like this huge thing and now it's kind of back down? So this, I just cut a circle die out because I don't have a, I need to get another punch. And then I'm gonna use my 1-inch punch. And I'm going to, can I use this as a scrap? It would be great if I didn't have to. Okay, so see, I like to take that and just, so you don't waste anything. And we're gonna make embellishments the same way I always do. I'm just gonna layer it up on here and put it there. And let me see if I can find a tiny sticker. I'm looking for a flower, kind of the size that I had in the other one. I think this yellow one will work. So see, you can stick things in these tiny things. I actually tried to see if a tea packet would work, but it's too big. So you could always do a bigger paper, like 8x8. I bet the 8x8 would work. So you got that. And then maybe just like a little tag on the side. This is too small for here, but I didn't pull out a larger one. Or actually, I feel like this will look nice. I hear my dog crying for me. He's like, come down, Mom. And then if you've seen my past videos, these are really easy to make with the little, what do you call them? I wish I knew the name. But they're like little glitter things. So I'm just gonna take, I wanna take the florals. I'm just cutting out another 1 inch from here. I'm gonna place it, actually wait. So before I put these on, I'm gonna take some stickers from here to put on there so that it pops through as well. So maybe this one here. That's really cute. And then I need one more. This is red. I hate to cover up that flower, but I want it to kind of pop out a little bit. So this has a sticky adhesive for those who haven't used this. And I always list these. They're fun and really easy. But look at, see, pretty embellishment. So you can put this on like your envelopes. You could even stick it on the front of your album, whatever you want. I'm like obsessed with this. It's one of my favorite things to use after being introduced to them. And because this album is so bulky with being a mini, hold on, buddy. I'm gonna use flat tape for this. Honestly, if someone takes it off and you just put a tiny little strip, they'll be able to get it off really easy. So I'm just gonna stick that on there, and I'm gonna stick another one on there. I'm so glad I got to film today, you guys. I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, but I was like, I have to do it. I've got a few minutes here. I just want to unwind and craft and just take my mind off of the house. So there's the second one. I'm gonna grab some more. I'm gonna put a little bunting thing. I love these colors. Like usually I just do like lots of vibrant pink and stuff, but this is just kind of calming, and I need calm right now. I need calm for sure. I kind of don't want that there. Let me try something different. Flower, and hold on, let me see this. This is so cute. Look, it's a little bucket. Okay, I think that has to go on there just because it's so cute. It's kind of big for that, but that's all right. And last but not least, let me fill that end pocket. Let's see if we got anything in this package. These are all kind of bigger, so I used that. I wonder if I can fit this in there. That might work. It says, always take the time to be together as family. This one's basically family based, and there we go. So cute, but do you see how tiny and fun this can be? I mean, it's adorable, and I love minis. I started making bigger because people are like, can you make something bigger and more practical? But I'm just here to make a mini today, and I thought they came out really sweet and fun and just a quick project I could do with you guys today. All right, guys, I hope to upload another video soon. I actually probably will have one from HipKit really soon, this coming week, or not this coming week, like it's so far away, but probably Monday. So, but I'll try and upload something if I can. All right, guys, thank you so much.